Are there any rules around the giving of work-related references? I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. This very much comes down to the kind of reference that you are being given. So if you're being given a reference that is required by a regulator or by the law in general, then there may be very specific rules around what needs to be included in that sort of reference. A good way of checking this is to look firstly at the industry that you work in and to see if there are any regulations or laws in place around the giving of references in those sectors. So, for example, the Department for Education, the Financial Conduct Authority, and the Prudential Regulation Authority all have their rules for references, how they're given, and what needs to be included within them. In terms of references generally, the position is that the reference needs to be true, accurate, and fair. Now, that kind of reference could include any kind of information that is true and accurate, but if it's not fair, then that could prevent you from getting another job, couldn't it? So that is usually the stumbling block over what an employer in that kind of situation would include in that sort of reference, because it might be true, it might be accurate, but it might not be fair. I hope that answers the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.